Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing a healthy grilled chicken. For that I have taken just 3 ingredients which are very easily available at your home. The first ingredient is chicken breast. This is one chicken breast, nicely washed and clean. Also I'll be using salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use any cooking salt that you like. Plus I'm using half teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I'll be using crushed pepper. This will be a freshly crushed pepper, so it will give very nice flavor to your dish. So you better don't use black pepper powder. Crush it nicely and freshly. Now I'm dropping all the ingredients on the chicken breast upside down, and we'll be rubbing it as well, so that they just go inside it to give nice taste and aroma. This dish you can have once you're back from gym, or you want to have some protein diet in your dinner or your lunch. You can also make sandwich out of it if you like. Rubbing everything nicely on the chicken breast, and we'll marinate it for about 15 to 20 minutes, but that's completely optional. I'm using griller. You can use tawa or grilling pan also, and we'll grill it. It will just take about 5 minutes. So this is a very handy and quick recipe. Once you are very tired, you don't want to cook for a longer time, you can try this recipe. And now the griller is off, so the chicken breast is ready. The pepper grilled chicken is actually ready. You can see the golden color, the change in chicken color also is there. Golden lines of grilled pan is also there. So it's ready, and I'll be having it in my dinner. So I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. It means a lot to me, guys. See you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.